Making a difference tonight, everyone behind the effort to give thousands of jackets, gloves, and hats to Chicago's homeless.
Today was our third annual Spread the Warmth event.
Welcome to Spread the Warmth.
We had 200 volunteers sign up. We had over 750 warmth kits passed out to the people of Chicago, and over 1,500 cups of hot tea were given to the people on the streets. One of the key components of Spread the Warmth is it's a lot of people doing a little bit. Social works who helped us with donations for clothes, the jackets, the gloves, the scarves.
It is so incredibly cool to see how big it's grown in the past 3 years.
Overall, just an experience of love and genuine happiness, not only from the people that are donating their time and giving these goods to people, but also the people receiving them. One person told me in Spanish that we were a blessing from God, and I was really taken aback when he said that.
So many people came together to make this massive impact, and that's a great symbol of what Spread the Warmth is. It's the help of others and the reliance on other people to make a big impact.
We made a difference today for those people. We're one people, we're one tribe, we're one community. And today, we made Chicago a better place. So thank you all.